The upcoming Samsung's Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra battery sizes are probably here already. When it rains, it pours. The old saying seems to perfectly apply to Samsung's next big things, which are in the news a lot mere days after the official announcement of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 and a bunch of other stuff, and following months of relative silence on the rumor and gossip front. Hot on the heels of a credible Galaxy S24 Plus screen size revelation, a titillating S24 Ultra build quality teaser, and a mildly interesting and completely unsurprising benchmark listing, the battery information pertaining to the two larger members of Samsung's early 2024 flagship family is also breaking cover. This appears to be as official as these tidbits can get in the relatively early stages of a new phone's development, purportedly originating from certification documents that may or may not be final, but that definitely look legitimate and sound accurate. If Samsung doesn't decide to revise things at the last minute for some reason, it looks like the Galaxy S24 Ultra will retain its predecessor's 5,000 mAh battery capacity, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is all but guaranteed to take a small but potentially noticeable leap from the 4,700 inside the S23 Plus to 4,900 mAh cell. Those are the typical values that the company is likely to use for marketing purposes, technically equating to 4,755 as far as the S24 Plus is concerned and 4,855 mAh for the S24 Ultra. Before you get too excited about the S24 Plus apparent upgrade, it's important to keep in mind that the middle child of Samsung's next-gen ultra high-end handset lineup is also expected to bump its predecessor's screen diagonal up from 6.6 to 6.65 inches. That suggests the actual real-life battery endurance improvement could prove to be rather negligible, although it's obviously far too early to jump to such conclusions. The same goes for the unchanged Ultra battery size, which may or may not result in unchanged running times between charges, especially with a new and improved Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor under the hood that may or may not come with enhanced energy efficiency. In short, there are still way too many things we don't know about the Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra to predict how satisfied you will be with the user experience compared to the already very satisfying Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. Samsung's optimizations are just one of the reasons why we're pretty confident that the Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra will both deliver excellent real-life autonomy figures, trumping at least a large part of their direct competition. And the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 might be a good reason to believe its endurance too. So what are your opinion on the battery department of the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time.